In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the Chrome PDF viewer. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Just go ahead, open up your browser, Google Chrome browser, then click on three dots located at the top right. After that, just go ahead, click on Settings. And now after you have clicked on Settings, just go ahead, click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down until you find Site Settings, just double click on that, and then scroll down, click on Additional Content Settings. And from here, just go ahead, click on PDF Documents, and from here, you can enable or you can disable viewing PDF, and Google Chrome, you can turn it to just download. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.